Hey, boys and girls, welcome to the Do Now. Let's check it out. Here's question number 1. What is the answer which will not work? Go. All right, let's see. I don't know. All right, here we go. So right here. So which one will not work? We know that we add up the two sides, the two smaller sides, and it must be bigger than the third side. So 10 plus 15 has to be greater than the third side, which is 35. 10 plus 15 is 25, and that's not bigger than 35, so that does not work. So do the other ones work? 10 plus 25 is 35, and that's greater than 25. Check. 15 plus 20 is also 35, and that's greater than 25. Check. 20 plus 20 is 40, and that's greater than 20. Check. Yeah, so A is the only one that doesn't work because when you add up the two smaller sides, it is not greater than the third side. Okay, so that one was number 1. Number 2, here we go. So see this? It says triangle EFG. It says XYZ, so that's not right. So this is what it should be right here. So here's the question. So here's EFG, 42 degrees, 98 degrees. Here are the answer choices. F, G, H, I. What are the order of sides from least to greatest, or greatest to least? Let's see what it says. It says longest to shortest, so greatest to least. Okay? Ready? Greatest to least. Longest to shortest. Go. All right, cool. Well, first things first, you need to know what this angle is. Well, you know that all angles in a triangle add up to 180. So all angles in a triangle add up to 180. So 98 plus 42. 98 plus 42 is 140. So 140 plus x is 180. 140 plus x, what's x? Yeah, that's just 40. So this is 40 degrees. So you need all three angles because you need to make sure which one is the longest. So the longest would be opposite the biggest angle. So the longest side, so here's the biggest angle. 98 is bigger than 42 and 40. And so EF is the longest. So it's either this or this because that's the longest. Okay, what's next? Oh, 42 degrees. So opposite would be EG or GE. So that looks like this. EG, and then the least would be opposite to 40, so that's FG. Bam, right there. So G is the answer to this one. Longest or shortest. Cool. All right, next one. Last but not least, let's see. Is that one already? Is that already? Cool. All right, that is it. Good work, everybody.